Hi everyone. Hi, how are you doing, everyone? How are you doing?
Fine.
Fine,
Fine.
sir.
Fine.
Fine, sir.
Great to hear. Just a minute. Let me connect the charge. So let's get started with the factor theorem. Let me share the screen. Please don't interrupt when I'm talking, children. Please be strict to that. Okay. See here. Basically, can you see the screen here? Uh, what is
Yes, sir.
factor theorem? What is factor theorem? According to the factor theorem, what exactly factor theorem says to us? According to the factor theorem, f of x is a polynomial which is degree greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a, is a factor of f of x if f of a is equal to 0. Understood? See here how what does it mean actually? See, where do we use the factor theorem basically? What are the uses of factor theorem? Where do we use basically? Factor theorem is commonly used for factorizing a polynomial and finding the roots of a polynomial. Where do you use that? For factorizing a polynomial and finding a roots for a polynomial, we will be using factor theorem basically. What factor theorem says to us? See here, factor theorem. According to the factor theorems, I repeat, everyone, please try to listen to me. According to the factor theorem, f of x. First of all, you take f of x is a polynomial, any polynomial of degree which is greater than or equal to 1. You take any polynomial which has degree greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is what? Factor of that particular f of x of that particular polynomial. If f of a is equal to 0 means at that particular point, at that particular x value, that particular polynomial is supposed to be equal to 0. That is what polynomial, that is what our factor theorem says to us. So look at this now. See, we'll talk about one by one.
So once can you slide a bit up?
Sure. Harini, why you are late, Harini?
Okay, sir.
Harini, why are you late? Okay. See here, the first question. Look at the first question. Is x minus 1 is a factor of this one or not? That is what he's asking us to find. Is x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial or not? How can we say this? Let us solve that. See here. So is x minus 1 is a factor of that particular polynomial or not? So what are you supposed to do, children? See what I told here. If a is any real number, then x minus 1 is a factor of that particular polynomial I showed in definition. What I said, a is any real number, then x minus 1 is a factor of that particular polynomial. So here x minus a given. So what I supposed to do? I supposed to equate this with 0. So what will I get? X is equal to 1. Now what I supposed to do? What I supposed to do now? I supposed to just substitute this x value in the given polynomial. So what I'm going to get now? What I'm going to get now? What I'm going to get? See here. Tell me what I'm going to get. 2
2
x
plus 3
2
minus
plus
5 plus
3
7.
minus 5
And then
plus 7.
5 plus 7.
plus 7. Let us solve this now. 2 into 1 power of 4 is going to give me 2 plus 3
Answer
into
is 7. So x minus 1 is not a factor of 2x power 4 plus 3x square minus 5x plus 7.
Piyush. Can you please keep quiet for a minute?
So this
Sir,
is
I'm not
Piyush.
talking.
So not Piyush, sorry. Who is talking that?
Bhargav.
See, whenever I ask you to talk, then only you're supposed to talk. Don't talk in between. When you're talking in between, what will happen is other will get disturbed. Don't interrupt when I'm teaching, please. If I ask you the question, that time only you're supposed to give me the answer. I didn't ask anyone, right? Please.
Okay, sir.
See,
Sorry, sir.
not an issue, please. 2 plus 3 minus 5 plus 7. So what I'm going to get is 2 plus 3, which is going to give me 5 minus 5 plus 7. So 5 minus 5, 0. I'm getting 7, but not equal to 0. I supposed to get equal to 0. What is my polynomial? What is my factor theorem definition? What is my factor theorem? What factor theorem says to us? If a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of that. If x minus 1 is a factor, then x is equal to a is a factor for that. All right. So look at this here. X minus a is a factor of f of x, I told. Then If f of a is equal to 0, if f of a is equal to 0, then only I can say that x minus 1 is a factor of that. So look at this here. It is not equating. We are not getting equal to 0. Now I cannot say that x minus 1 is a factor of that particular polynomial. Now x minus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. So why we are saying that? Why? Because I'm not getting equal to 0. Understanding my point? Do you understand? So now shall we solve one more question for your better understanding? Look at this here. Check whether x minus 1 is a factor for this polynomial or not. How do we need to check? X minus 1. In place of x minus a, he has given x minus. In place of x minus 1, here, we can compare this x minus 1 as x minus a. So what is my point here now? I supposed to equate this x minus a factor with a 0. X minus a is a factor. I supposed to equate with a 0. What would I get? X is equal to a. So like that. So he has given x minus 1. So I supposed to equate this x minus 1 with a 0. What I'm going to get? X is equal to 1. So if I substitute in this given polynomial, what I'm going to get now? 1 square plus
1
1
plus
minus 2. 1 plus 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2, which is going to give me 0. So hence, I could conclude that now x minus 1 is a factor for this polynomial. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? Shall I give one more question?
Sir, if we get
Yes,
sir.
sir.
zero,
We will
it's a
pay
factor.
privately this time.
Yes, sir, we will do.
Yes.
Yes,
See here.
sir.
Now I have got plenty questions here. One second. Look at the fourth question here. Look at the fourth question, everyone. Check whether x plus 1 is a factor for this polynomial or not.
We should say we reply privately.
Please don't tell. No one should tell me the answer. No one should reveal the answer. Make it fast. Fatafat, fatafat.
We're in chat box, guys.
Yeah. Let me open the chart box. Is giving false. Is in false. False. Okay. See, let's talk about fourth one now. Let us check whether we have to check x is equal to minus 1. Minus, how can I check? 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 5. So 2 minus 1 to the power of odd number always going to give me negative only.
Sir, I have a doubt.
1 second. Yes.
Sir, why is it minus 1, sir?
So can you please check my answer?
Yes, yes, sure, sure. Just now I told. See, whatever the number, whatever the factor is given in the question, we have to equate it to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 is going to give me x is equal to minus 1. X plus 1 is equal to 0. If I transport plus 1 to the right hand side, I'm going to get x is equal to minus 1. If I substitute this x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial, I must get 0. Then only x plus 1 is a factor of that. If not,
Sir, but in the previous question, you got x equal to 1, right?
but there I had x minus 1 is x minus 1. Here I'm
Okay,
having
okay,
x plus 1. Try to understand the
Okay,
difference between that. In the previous question, I had x plus 1. Here, the thing is, it need not to be x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 for each and every question. It doesn't mean like that. Depends on the question. As per the question demands, we will be changing the value of x. All right. As per the question demands, as per the question, we have to go for that. All right. So x is equal to minus 1, I'm having here now. So if I substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial, check whether it is going to give me 0 or not. So what is the given polynomial? 2x cube plus, let me write this side. 1 second. 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Substitute here, what I'm going to get? 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 5. Getting my point? 2. See here, always minus to the power of odd number. Minus number, any number which is in the base, minus to the power of odd number is going to give me always minus 1 only. Minus only. So minus 1 whole cube always gives me minus. So plus minus 1 to the power of even number always gives me plus number, positive. So minus 1 plus 5. So calculate this, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. All right. Look at this now. So add first all positive terms. 1 plus 5 is give me 6. Now 2 minus 1, which gives me 3. So 6 minus 3, I'm getting 3. I'm not getting 0. So since, now what can I say now? Since it's not getting 0, what can I say now? This is not, x plus 1 is not a factor of x, 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. So my answer is what? False. Answer is what? False. He's saying x plus 1 is a factor for that. But we are not getting satisfied with that factor. All right. So I can say that now that is a false statement. Getting my point? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So can you tell who got the right answer? Who gave you the right answer?
Sure. Let me read the message. Piyush, wrong answer. Akshay, right answer. Harini, right answer. Toshika, what is that? Don't give me number. Tell me whether it is a. Don't tell me whether we are getting 0 or not. Don't tell me like that. Tell me whether it's a false or true.
Okay, sir. Next time
Bhargav,
I'll
right?
reply.
Shahil, Mohit, Shahil, wrong answer. First you said true, Shahil. Ananya, right answer. Shreyan, right answer.
Yes, sir.
Arush,
By mistakenly, I have written through. I have, sir.
not an
The
issue,
fourth
beta.
one is
Not an
false,
issue.
right?
Piyush, right answer. Arush, right answer. Yeah, everyone gave almost right answer. False statement. See, now look at the fifth question.
take my name.
Sir, fourth one is false, right?
That's what I'm saying. False only. False is the right answer.
Yes, sir. So I wrote false only.
Yeah. Who's that? Shahil?
Not take my name.
Okay,
Piyush.
you are also. What's your name? Shreyan.
Eva.
Those who got false statement, that you are right. Those who got false, that you are right. So sometimes like I cannot read all, like I cannot be able to read all the names. So I'm sorry for that. So you got right answer. See, Piyush, check your answer. Piyush, you are wrong, Piyush.
Sir, I wrote for fifth and fourth both. Fourth
Very
one is false.
great,
I wrote.
great. You are right. Great, Kana. See here now. Look at the fifth one. Look at the fifth question.
So can you check my reply and say if my reply is right?
Yes, you are right. See, x minus 2 is a factor of this one or not. Check whether that is a factor of that or not. Make it fast. See here, the reason behind giving multiple questions is you guys have to habituate for that kind of concept. You guys have to solve many questions as much as you can, so that we can remember the concept for a long time. All right. See, it doesn't mean that we are not remembering anything here. We are understanding. We understood the concept. We understood the principle of reminder.
Is true.
We understood the factor theorem. Please try to listen to me. When I am not talking, you can talk. All right. 1 second, my battery is low. Let me. See, when I am not talking, you guys can talk. Please, when I'm talking, please don't interrupt. I'm telling you guys, this is, since it's an online session, others will get disturbed if you're talking in between. Please, it's supposed to be, when I'm talking, it's supposed to be crystal clear. You should not interrupt. If you are interrupting in between, what will happen? Others will not understand. Please listen to me. X minus 2 is a factor of this or not? Tell me. So
Sir, it is.
It is.
Sir, it is a
it
factor.
is. It
Sir, it
is.
is.
So true statement. So answer is what? True. How many of you got true here? So let's
Sir, me.
very good. It's a true statement. Exactly. So you will get x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, you have to substitute in this given polynomial. Check whether we are getting minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Yeah, 4 minus 4, 0. Yeah, exactly. X minus 2 is a factor of that. How many of you got true statement? Very good. Krishna Chaitanya, you are wrong.
Sir, I got.
Akshay, Dhruva, wrong answer. Harini, wrong answer.
Sir, I kept my second answer,
Oh,
sir.
sorry. First answer is false. Second answer is true.
I'm sorry, sir.
I mean,
That's
like
what
fifth. Fourth one is false statement. Fifth one is true statement.
Sir, fifth is true, sir.
Yeah,
I
fifth
kept
is
the
true.
second answer.
You please, when you are posting your answer, please try to post a question number as well. Try to
Okay, sir.
text. Yeah, try to write a question number as well, so that I can understand for which question you are giving the answer. Modita is joining now. Modita, I do not. Let us join her and speak to her once. Modita, you are joining now. Modita, are you here?
Yeah, sir.
Modita, why you are late? May I please know that?
Sir, I thought today class was not there. I didn't get to know that today class was there. I
Did
thought
you
yesterday holiday was today.
Didn't you check your group, WhatsApp group?
We were
Didn't you
out,
check?
sir.
You have to check.
We were out.
Yeah,
We
you
were
were
out,
out.
sir.
Yeah, though you are out, you have to check, ma. It's the first checking. It won't take much time. For just second, 2
Yeah, sir.
seconds, check whether do we have class or not. If yes, just join on time. So it's been like 21 minutes since since we started the class. Now you are joining. Almost like half of the class has been done. Okay, don't be late, ma. Please. Sixth
Sir,
question.
can you explain me fifth question?
Fifth question. Yes, sure. Let us explain here. Fifth question is saying that x minus 2 is a factor of minus x square plus x plus 2. Now what I told you now, x minus 2 is a factor means we have to say x is equal to 2. Why? Because x minus 2 is equal to 0. If I transpose minus to the right hand side, I am getting x is equal to 2. Now if I substitute this x value in this given polynomial, what I'm going to get? Minus 2 whole square plus 2 plus 2. In place of x, I'm substituting x value, I'm substituting over there. So minus 2 whole square, minus to the power of even number, always going to give me plus. Is it? Oh, sorry. I substitute with the plus. One second. Did I write correct?
Sir, but shouldn't be minus of
Minus x,
square.
1 second, minus x square plus
Yes,
x plus 1 second. Wait, Kana, please. Let me check the problem. Minus x square plus x plus 2. Correct only. X is equal to. I have to substitute x is equal to here. So what I'm going to get? 2 square plus 2 plus 2. So what I'm going to get here? 4 plus.
Minus of minus.
It should be minus to
Sir,
the
but
outside.
shouldn't it be
See,
sir,
the
but
answer
shouldn't be minus
It is
false.
false, right?
This is a false statement. Fifth one is false, but we
Yes, sir.
got
I
true.
kept false only.
False.
Sir.
See, how many of you are writing
Why
false? Fifth one is not true, guys. Fifth one is not true. Please check it out. We are not getting 0. We are not getting 0. We
Sir,
are
but
getting
it should
we are
but
not.
it should be minus of 2 square, not minus 2 square.
yeah. If you
Yes,
change
sir.
the
Should be
hello,
of minus 2 square, right? Because it's
Yes.
minus x square. So
Yes.
that's why it should be.
yes. If you change the question, you will get that. But in this question, the answer is false statement. Getting my point? Getting my point? So
But
my
sir,
bad.
minus was out of the bracket, right? How can you like go?
1 second. This is my fault. Sorry. What did you say? Minus 2
Nothing,
is
sir. Nothing, sir.
minus 2 is out of the bracket. Sujay, what is out of the bracket? See, out of the bracket, if it is here, do you mean like this? It can't be equal to 0 now. Do you mean we can't be
No,
right x is
not
equal
that,
to?
sir.
Hmm?
No, sir, not that. I got it rectified.
Yes, x is equal to 2. If you substitute x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial, I'm getting 8. I'm not getting equal to 0. So since it's a not 0, I can say this is x minus 2 is a not polynomial, not factor for the given polynomial. All right. So
Excuse me, sir.
fourth and fifth both are false statement.
Sir? Sir?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. I was asking that shouldn't it be 2 square and then outside the minus sign should be there?
Sorry. 2
For the
square.
fifth question,
Mm-hmm.
shouldn't it be 2 square and outside the bracket it should be minus, right?
So if you consider like that, then you will get 0 for sure.
Yes, sir. That's why I was asking that which one should we consider?
Yes, sir. That was even my doubt.
Yeah. See here, if you write minus in place of, if you write minus outside, then you will get 0. If you write plus inside, you will get plus 8. So minus was supposed to be inside only. Why? Because that minus is assigned for x square. Oh, 1 second. Oh, what happened? That minus is assigned for minus. That minus is assigned for whole x square. All right. Getting my point?
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
Yes, sir.
but
Okay,
check,
sir.
sir, but check using long division method, sir. The remainder is 0.
Yes, sir. By
Check
using
using the long division
we get
method.
it as
Yes,
8.
sir.
yes, by using long division method, are you getting 0?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
check it
Only
out.
long.
We'll check it out. Minus x square plus x plus 2. So what is my coefficient here? Minus 1 plus 1 2. What do I had? 2. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. Yeah. So remainder is 0. Then we have to assign for we have to write minus outside then.
Okay,
Then
sir.
I supposed to mention here, like, I just cutted the question over there, pasted over here. The thing is that minus will be outside only then. You can change, you can write both ways. The only thing which whether you are understanding or not. All right. If I write minus outside like this, I'm going to get what? 2 plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 plus 2, which is going to give me 0 now. It is going to be 0. All right. Then it will be true statement. All right. See, as
Yes,
this is a
sir.
better actually. Who told that? Who gave this answer to check
Sir,
by
me,
reminder method? Very good. Very good.
Sir, I
Fantastic.
told to check by long division, sir. I was the one who told.
Yeah, he told by long division.
No, very good. Both of you are right. Very good. Good. See here, if you check, if you have this kind of doubt, anything, if you check by long division method, that is what we'll be using long division. Don't go for long division, you go by synthetic method, as I told. Synthetic method, right? Coefficients, synthetic. Oh, 1 second. Synthetic method. All right, by using synthetic method, I'm getting remainder as 0. So what is my quotient here? What is my quotient? Minus x minus 1.
Minus 6.
Okay, look at this next question. Look at this now. Then you have to consider minus outside only then. So x minus 2 is a factor of this one now. Let us check whether how we are going to get it. My x minus 2 is a factor of this one. Make it fast.
Sir,
Sir, I
answer.
replied it long
Did you tell
back.
the answer?
Sir, long back I replied.
Yes, sir. Even
Long
you
back.
replied long back.
Okay, let me check.
Yes,
Let me
sir,
check
answer.
once. Oh, Shahil, Strayan, Akshay, Arush. 1 second. Toshnika. Good. Good.
So once can you scroll it down?
Yes.
Sir, what is the answer of question number 6?
Look at this here. X is equal to 2. Substitute 2 over there. 2 over there. Don't take bracket. Minus. Let it be minus outside. So what I'm going to get here? 2 cube minus 2 square minus 2 plus 15. So minus 8 minus 4 minus 2 plus 15. What I'm going to get now?
Sir, minus 14 plus 15.
1 is the remainder.
Minus 14 plus 15. One
But
is
its
going
answer
to,
is
one is
false.
Correct. The answer is 1. So it's
Answer is
false.
false.
The answer is
very
false.
good. Very good. Has do you someone was asking for this synthetic method? Who's that? Yes. Did you write, Ma?
Yes, sir. Completed.
0. This is 0. So clear. Next, I hope minus. Let the minus will be outside only, or else you do one thing. Shall we try something different? Let us try 1 second.
Sir,
Shall
kept
we-
answer. Sir.
Let us take minus common. X cube plus x square plus x minus 15. Shall we do like this? That would be better, right? So x is equal to, right, 8 plus 4 plus 2 minus 15. So minus, what is this? 14 minus 5 I got. So plus 1. Yeah, you take minus common. This, for this kind of question, better you take minus common and you substitute. Are you getting my point, children? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Eighth. How many of you? Oh, someone is done with eighth question as well. Very good. Very good.
Sir, I'm done with 9th question also, sir.
Very, very good. Fantastic.
sir.
Fantastic, Anna. Fantastic question. Very good. I hope it's a very easy for you. So 7th question now. 7th question. What is the 7th question?
Sir, already kept answer.
Very
Sir,
good.
it's false.
Minus 2x. See, everyone supposed to understand here. Everyone. Are you getting my? Everyone supposed to give the answer. No one should. Kavya Singhal. I didn't even get a single answer from your side. What are you doing, Ma?
But I gave.
You gave.
But I gave, sir. For
Yes, you gave now. You gave now.
8.
Very good. Very good. Minus. So x is equal to minus 2. Substitute minus 2. If you substitute minus 2, you're not going to minus 8. So minus 4 plus 4 plus 8. So this will get cancelled 0. So this is true statement. Seventh one is true.
Sir, save you
Did-
ranks.
Seventh one, did we make any mistake here?
Not at all, sir.
One second. Did we make any mistake? Oh, x is equal to minus 2, right? X is minus 2, substitute minus 2.
Plus
2 into minus 2 minus 8. Huh. You can solve 10th question as well, those who have done with the questions. 10th question, can you see here? So minus 8
Yes,
here.
sir.
So plus 8 you will be getting here. So plus 4 minus 4 minus 8. So plus 4 minus 4 minus 8. 0. So it's a true. I'm getting true.
True, sir.
Yeah, seventh one is true. What about 8th? See, please post your
true, sir. It
yeah,
is
8 is
true.
also true.
8 is
Sir,
also
8
true, sir.
also is true. 8 is true.
8 is true. What about 9th? Please keep a question
Ninth is
number.
there.
Put a question number. Put the question number. Make it fast.
So 9th is also true.
9th is also true. Very good. We'll check it out once. One second. 8th
Sir,
question.
correct answer.
Sir, it is false, sir, I think.
X is equal to minus 1, right? So minus out x power of 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square. So अरे यार क्या खिचड़ी पका रहा है इधर, इसको हटाओ सब. 1 second. हाँ, 2x square minus 2x minus 3. Substitute here, x is equal to minus 1, right?
So it is
Minus
plus,
all power of
it is
4
plus 3, sir, not
plus
minus 3.
2 minus 1 whole cube plus 2 into minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. So what
Sir,
will
you
I do?
did something wrong.
Where?
Yes, sir,
Like,
it is
you know,
plus 3.
The third term.
It is plus 3. It should be 2 into minus 1 whole square.
Where?
Yes,
Where?
sir, and it should be plus 3, sir.
Sir,
Where? Could you
The
please?
third term,
Third
sir.
term.
2
Third
into
term.
minus 1 cube. That should be
Oh,
2
yeah,
into
yeah, yeah,
minus.
yeah. That, yeah, I
What?
wrote wrong. Sorry.
And sir, in the last term, it should be plus 3, sir, not minus 3.
Great. Huh. So look at this now.
Sir,
Minus as
near
it is
3 should be plus.
Yes,
plus
Near.
sir, 3 should be plus
minus
3. Yes, sir.
minus 2
Sir,
here.
in 3 should be plus, sir.
Mhm.
At the last.
Yeah,
At the
plus
last,
3
sir,
at the
should be
last.
plus.
Very good. So plus 2 plus
Hello, hello.
3. Hello. What I'm going to get here? Last 9th statement is what? 5 minus 5. So 1 minus 5. I'm going to get plus 4. Plus 4 is a wrong statement.
False, sir. False.
Right? Wrong statement. False is the right
Sir,
answer.
Sir, but something like
Sir,
that.
I didn't understand why you kept the minus plus sign for the 3 in the first step.
See, it is given in the plus 3 only here in the question itself. I didn't write by anything my own. Everything has been
Yes,
question
sir.
given.
So minus into plus equal to minus, right?
Where?
So the first one, the thing written in blue.
We are taking minus common, then we are getting, yeah. See here, we are taking minus common, then it would be correct, guys. See, someone
It
has
should be
to
minus.
plus 3. We are taking minus common, guys. When I'm taking minus common, it should be plus. So it should be minus. Why? Because
Yes,
minus
sir.
into minus. Yeah. Now it will be correct. Someone told that, sir, plus 3. We forgot. It's
Yeah,
like
sir,
you are
first.
making me. No. See here, minus take common outside. What do you get here? So plus 1, minus 2, plus 2, plus 2, minus 3. You will get what? So plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. So 0. Yeah, it's a true statement. It is a true statement. 9th one is a
Yes,
true
sir.
statement, guys, not false statement. See, be careful with
Sir,
the
can you
minus.
check the answers?
Be
Can you check
careful.
the answers?
Yes. Be careful with your minus, plus. Those will be making you, like, making you fall in a wrong position. Who's that? 1 second. Okay. Ninth one is true statement. Kavya Singhal.
It's a single, it's single.
Single. Okay. Okay. 10th question. Now look at this 10th question. Everyone done right answer? Everyone give me right answer.
Trying, sir. Still.
X
Sir, I've
plus 1.
given, sir.
Yes. X plus 1 is a factor of this particular polynomial. Then find the value of k. Oh, Kavya given, Arush given, Aditya given. Aditya, how did you get that answer? One second. Let me erase this now. Let me create some space here. Make it fast.
That I already gave.
Very good. X plus 1 is a factor of that. Let us check. See here, no need of checking out here. He only saying that x plus 1 is a factor of this. So it must be a factor. So what I supposed to do now? X plus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus 1. All right. What would you get?
Yes, sir.
Equate with 0. Equate with 0, you will be getting that. X cube plus a kx square minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Equate with a 0, you will get k value. How many of you done that? See, everyone is getting different answers. Everyone is getting different answers. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, once again, can you explain ninth one, sir? I'm
Sure, ma'am.
confused.
No issues.
Yes.
I'll explain. See here. Let me strike it out.
Sir, are we supposed to do trial and error for the 10th one?
Right. See here, guys. One second. 10th question will come back again to the 10th question. Look at the 9th question, ma. X plus 1 is a factor of that, which means what? X plus 1 is supposed to be equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. So I supposed to check whether it is going to give me 0 or not. For that, what I'm doing is I'm just taking minus common here outside. So x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 2x minus 3. Now substitute here one by one. Minus x is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus 2 into minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. So minus 1 whole to the power of 4 always going to give me plus 1, mean plus number. So here minus 1 whole to the power of 3 is going to give me minus 2. So 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square going to give me plus 1. So minus into minus plus 2 here minus 3. Getting my point, ma? Minus will be as it is now. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 ones 2 plus 2 minus 3. Now straight away you calculate here now. Plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. Here plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. So 0. Getting my point?
Yes,
Understood?
sir, but we should remove the brackets at the, like, we should remove the brackets, no, sir.
That will change the number to the opposite. That's
Look
it.
at, see.
Yeah.
You should remove the bracket, right? So minus into, instead you are getting 0. Minus into 0 is what? Again 0. Minus into plus 0, anything is same, right? Minus into
Yes.
0 plus into 0.
Okay.
Anyhow, it's going to give me save. So that is the answer. 0 is going to give me 0. So what is my answer now?
0.
True statement.
Sir,
All
student,
right.
tell me the 10th answer.
10th one. How many of you that? How many of you? See here. Yes.
I made answer.
Sir, I have messaged you, sir.
Sir, I have
Yes.
messaged you, sir.
Sir, 2.
Sir, I have
One
Sir,
messaged you.
2.
Just
K
a
is
minute.
equal to 2.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, and I
Is that-
gave the same
Yeah,
answer.
Piyush.
Case 2.
Piyush, yeah, Piyush Saho. Can you please
Sir, first
explain?
Sir, I got
Yeah.
4.
So the first one I did by mistake. I typed the 3. Second time I kept the correct.
Not
count.
an issue, not an issue. How? How can you please explain? How can we do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So first we have to equate x plus 1 to 0. We get minus 1 as the thing, as the divisor.
Mhm.
Then we have to replace minus 1 into x wherever it is. And we have to equate it to 0 since it's a factor. After
Yeah.
that, we'll get 1 plus k plus 2 minus 5 equals to 0. So k minus 1, k minus 2 equals to 0. So k equal to 2.
Great.
Yeah.
See here, very good. Whatever you have explained, absolutely right. Great explanation. What's your name? Piyush. See here. See here now, substitute karna. Here, look at this. I just take minus common outside. What I remain with? Minus x cube minus kx square minus 2x minus 5. So look at this now. So minus 1 whole cube going to give me minus 1 only. Minus k
Sir,
in
Sir,
Sir,
it should be
inside you
plus
have to
2x.
Write it plus 2x and
2x.
plus 5.
plus 2x, sir,
So plus 2x and
plus
plus
2x
5.
plus 2x
and plus 5.
And plus 5, sir.
plus
Sir,
5.
plus 5 also.
Look at this now. While taking common, be careful. Don't make mistakes like me. See, next minus 1 minus k minus 1 whole square going to give me plus 1. So minus 2. Ananya is joining now. So we have left with only 1 minute of time. You have to join for the next session. Join on time. Don't be late. Minus 2 minus 5. Right? So we have to equate this with a what? 0 for getting 0. For getting value of k. So minus 1 minus k minus 7 is going to give me what? 0. Now k value, how many of you done?
Sir, me.
What was your answer?
2. Sir, 2.
Do we
K
get
is equal
k is equal? What is my k value now? Tell me. What is
2,
going
sir.
to be?
Sir,
Huh?
2, sir.
Let's
2.
check whether 2 is the correct answer or not.
Sir, it's 8, sir. I mean, it's minus
Yes.
4. Minus 8.
Look at this now. Minus 8 minus k is equal to 0. So minus 8 minus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 8 is
sir. Sir, I think plus, right?
minus only.
So when
8
we
plus
will
k,
open the
Plus five
bracket,
became
it will
minus 1K.
sign will
Plus
change,
8 and
right?
plus k.
See,
became